in the number 1 of these lab activities, it is asked to edit the given image with crop tool. Number A, crop out the only boys and apply the border. Crop out the only logo. This task we have to perform in the Photoshop. So let's go to the Photoshop. Photoshop application is started. Now we have to place our image. Find your image and place it in the Photoshop. My image is over here. You have to find your image in your location. I select my image and I place in the Photoshop using dragging and dropping technique. Look here, my image is placed in the Photoshop. Now we have to crop out the boys. Simply select the crop tool. Now let's look here. By default it is selected to crop. You can resize using this resizing point, or you can select new one. I like to select new one in this way. Now after selecting this, we have to press enter key or click the tick mark from here. Now image is cropped out. It's turn to put the stroke on this image. Before putting the stroke, I like to copy this image in the new document. To copy this image, select the rectangular marquee tool and select this image. Now go to the edit menu, click the copy option. Now start the new document. Go to the file menu, click the new option. Now new document dialog box is appeared. You can set the width and height of this document from here. I like to set with 1200 pixel and height 1000 pixel. Now click the create button. We have to paste our image over here. Go to the edit menu, click the paste option. Now image is copied in the new document. Now look here, this image is creating a new layer. We have to apply the stroke on this new layer. Just double click on it. Let's look here. Layer style panel is appeared. Click the stroke option from here. Now just double click to activate the stroke parameter. From here you can set the parameter for this stroke. We can set the size from here by dragging this slider, or you can type the value over here. We can set the position from here. We can set opacity, blend mode, color. I like to set red color. Click the OK button. Again click the OK button from this dialog box. Now look here, our image is cropped out and stroke is set in the image. Now it's turn to crop out only logo from the same image. Find your image in your location. My image is over here. I select it and place using the dragging and dropping technique. Now look here, image is placed. Now to crop out the logo, simply select the crop tool and select the area to crop. Now press the enter key or click the tick mark from here. Look here, our logo is cropped out. After watching this video, you have to practice again and again to develop your photo editing skill in the Photoshop.